Best Friends started back in the 80s with our founders. It was this extraordinary group of people that came out to the desert and decided that they were going to start an animal sanctuary, and they did it. They built this place from the ground up, and now it is the largest no-kill animal sanctuary in the country. Wild Friends absolutely believes that animals deserve all of the respect that we do. We share the planet with them, and quite frankly, most of them were here first. We do have enclosures outside, and those enclosures have a lot of mice. We don't want to hurt those mice. There's always going to be a standing population in that enclosure, and we're perfectly fine, but we want to make sure that it's at an acceptable maintenance level. So we started looking for other options. The big thing was that it could not be lethal. Then we found out about Loretta and what she was doing, and that sounded right up our alley. She wanted to run a study out here to see the efficacy of her product in a controlled outdoor setting, and our pigeon enclosure provided the perfect opportunity to do that. We don't want to hurt any animal, but we do also need to watch out for our pigeons and make sure that there's enough food for them. So this seemed like the perfect way to balance that. Loretta's product is super easy for us to use because all we have to do is set the station. We put the bait in the station, the mice come and eat it, and then the population in the enclosure naturally declines just because they aren't making more. Since the study started, the population was down about 60%, and that is completely with non-lethal means, and she's not even done yet, so we're very excited to see the results. We're starting here in the pigeon enclosure at Wild Friends, but there are a lot of other buildings that we want to use this product in, and we're so excited because it doesn't pose any danger to the adoptable animals currently living in those buildings. We have been so excited to be a part of this study, but for me personally, one of my favorite things is just seeing how excited Loretta is about how well this is working, and just seeing that light in her eyes when because she's looking forward. She's looking at all of the applications that this could possibly have and all of the animals that this is going to save. I see this helping huge populations of animals that we have to coexist with. So not just our mice and our rats, but our pigeons, our feral dogs and cats, animals that we put out into the environment and now we need to be responsible for. And this is a very humane way to be responsible.